This problem has parts A through F, so we're going to do several videos that correspond to this particular problem. But here's all the information that we're given. We know that the function named f is equal to x plus h, where h is just any number you want it to be. G of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. H of x is the cube root of x plus 2. K of x is x cubed minus 2. So I'm going to do this algebra composition. So it says evaluate the following and simplify. So the idea behind this doesn't change. This is a composition. So I want to work with the inside first. Now I can't find an actual value for f of x, a number like I could in previous problems, because f of x is an actual function. But I can, knowing that f of x equals x plus h, I can replace f of x with x plus h. I just stick it right in there. Excuse me. Now, the next thing you want to worry about is taking this x plus h and replacing every x and g with x plus h. So when I first started learning this, in order to be consistently right, I replaced every x with a set of parentheses. So x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then whatever showed up in here, I matched it in those other spots. X plus h, x plus h. Now that's the composition part of it is done now. All I have to do is what the directions say is simplify. So here's some algebra you have to remember. You need to remember how to multiply x plus h times x plus h. I'm going to distribute this negative 3. So negative 3x minus 3h. And then the plus 2 just comes along. So remember, when you do this, you FOIL. You multiply the first two terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and the last terms. But don't leave off the other terms. Each line must be exactly the same as the line before, but with a change algebraically. So they have to be equivalent. Now I'm going to combine like terms because these are terms that are alike, and I don't see anything else in there that's alike, so to speak. So this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 2. Good. Now this guy down here, this is going to be h and k of x. So I'm going to replace k of x with what k of x is, x cubed minus 2. And then I'm going to take h, which is here, and instead of writing an x, I'm going to put my parentheses, x plus 2. And whatever replaced x in h in my evaluated function, I just have to replace it in the parentheses, x cubed minus 2. That way I make sure I have all the signs right, I have all the order right, I have everything right. Now this is going to equal the cube root of, well, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so it's going to be the cube root of x cubed, which turns out in the end to be x.